Hi students, it's Mrs. Kamdar. I am going to show you how to make your student portfolios in Google Sites. So you're going to be making a portfolio like this, and it's going to have some tabs. So today we're going to make these tabs and go ahead and get it ready. So this is what it would look like. You will have an All About Me tab, your Learner Profile tab, your passions, and the unit that we're going to be learning in Google in quarter 3, which is called Extreme Living. You have 5 tasks to do plus a liftoff task. So I'm going to show you how to make this Google Sites for portfolios, okay? Because everyone has to make this, and we will be trying to keep our work in here, okay? So, excuse me. Let's get started. You want to be in Google website, so you want to have a browser open. Go to the dots, click on Sites. You will then want to click on the plus sign. Okay, you want to title your website, so you can call it Science Portfolio. Okay, you can title it whatever you want, okay, as long as you know that it's for your science class. Also, make sure that you're logged into your school Google account. When you click here, we're going to give a title for our website, and please type in My 6th Grade Science Portfolio, okay? Then you can change your header. You can click on change. You can either upload an image or you can select an image. I'll just do select. And if you scroll down, I'm going to pick this dotted one, and there I have my background. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. You can do it whatever way you like. This is your portfolio, so you design it the way you like, okay? Next, we are going to make tabs on the top here, so we need to have some pages, okay? This over here is your Insert tab, where you can put text box and images, stuff from Google Drive, and I will explain the Insert tab a little bit later, but for today we are going to add pages to set up our portfolio. So click on Pages. We already have our home page, which is right here, and now we want to add some pages here to create the tabs. So click on the plus sign, and you want to label this page All About Me. This is where you will be talking about yourself a little bit. And say done. And it creates it right there. We want the next tab or page. So click on the plus sign and please type in Learner Profile. Say done. There it is. Third page. It's called Passions. These are things that you're passionate about, you absolutely love doing. You do that. And then next, we're going to have our unit that we're learning in this quarter 3. So you're going to click on plus, and you're going to type in Extreme Living. Okay, you're going to learn about weather and climate and all the good stuff. So you're going to call it Extreme Living, this unit. And under Extreme Living, we're going to have a whole bunch of pages as well. So you're going to create plus sign again. The first one is called Liftoff Task. This is where our phenomena is. Phenomena. Okay, say done. And you see it placed it right under Extreme Living. So what you want to do is you want to lift and drag or click and drag it into Extreme Living file. So that's where it goes, and now you have, under Extreme Living, you have a liftoff task page, right? Now what you want to do is add all the tasks. We have 5 tasks, so you're going to click 5 times and say task 1, done, plus sign, task 2, done. And then you're going to do task 3, task 4, and task 5. And once you've done that, you are going to save this. So let's go ahead and do task 3, done, task 4, done, plus sign, task 5, and done, because you're going to have 5 tasks to do. We'll do each in 1 week. Okay, so now we have our home page, all about me, learner profile, your passions, things that you're passionate about, and your living, extreme living with your phenomenal liftoff task and 5 tasks. Oops, looks like I'm missing a task 4. So I'm going to do a plus sign, type in task 4, and when I say done, it moves it down, it moves it way up here, right? I found it here. So all you got to do is grab it and put it under extreme living, and it places it at the very bottom. I don't want task 4 here, so I click and I move it up right under task 3, and it organizes that for me. Once you're done creating your tasks, then what you want to do is you want to click the word publish. When you say publish, you want to give a web address name. Okay, so give it a name that you're going to remember. Maybe put your name in there. So you can do first name, last name. I'm going to do my first name and last name. You don't need to give any spaces because it's creating HTTP sites, Google, smusd.org, and then it has your first and last name, and that'll be all. And then you will say publish. And once you publish, then you can go in and see what it looks like by looking at the preview up here. And this is what your website looks like. There's your home, and you can go through the tabs and check it out. I hope that helps. This is due February 1st, so you have a week to set it up. And then I'll tell you the following Monday what we'll be doing next. Thanks.